Your pasta sauce can look perfect and still be completely wrong. And most people never understand why. At home, sauce often breaks without warning. It turns oily, heavy, or strangely separated. This has nothing to do with the recipe and nothing to do with ingredients. The real problem is structure. More specifically, how sauce holds together. In restaurants, sauce is stable and fluid. At home, it often collapses. This happens when heat is handled incorrectly. Too much or too little at the wrong moment. Sauce is not just liquid. It is a balance of fat, water, and starch. When that balance breaks, texture disappears. Flavor becomes flat and disconnected. Many people blame oil. Others blame cheese. But the real cause is timing and temperature. Sauce needs controlled heat to stay alive. When heat drops too fast, fat separates. Water pulls away instead of binding. This is why reheated sauce never tastes right. The structure is already broken. In professional kitchens, sauce is finished deliberately. Nothing is rushed or left to chance. Chefs control heat until the very last second. They never remove sauce too early. They also never add pasta to cold sauce. Everything stays hot and active. This keeps starch working properly. And starch is what holds sauce together. At home, sauce often waits while pasta cooks, or pasta waits while sauce is reheated. That pause is enough to break everything. Even if the recipe is correct, restaurants avoid this by planning backwards. Sauce, pasta, and plate are ready together. When everything meets at the same moment, the sauce stays smooth and stable. This is why restaurant pasta feels lighter, and why home pasta often feels heavy. If you want better sauce at home, stop thinking about ingredients. Start thinking about heat and timing. That is where sauces fail. This breakdown is predictable. And once you see it, you cannot ignore it. In the next video, I explain how restaurants fix this. It is called emulsification. Watch the next video now.